Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a project share. I have not uploaded a video in quite some time. There was a lot of things going on in my life, including moving, which selling and buying, and then a renovation of some sort. So I apologize for that. So I have been working on this project and I wanted to go ahead and share it. It took me a while to finish it, which is why I didn't do like a tutorial on it or like a process video. But I am following a folio tutorial from Little Hot Tamale. So I will link her down below for you to look at her tutorial. I pretty much followed her tutorial with some tweaks here and there. I didn't have folders from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, so I just kind of took the half and the half of my file folder that I had and made it work, but everything else I pretty much followed. So I will link her tutorial below. And now I have talked quite a bit and you're not getting to watch this. So let me go ahead and just get to it. There is a shadow over here because of my tripod and the light is coming from that side. So I apologize, but I will try my best to show you this. So it just says, I did use Maggie Holmes carousel collection and other stuff that I had in my stash, of course, and then Maggie Holmes, I used a lot of from her sticker book, and I also used some like stickers I had, some ephemera that I had from her. That's all Maggie Holmes. So that's kind of what I used. So let's go ahead and get to it. So, oh hello lovely is what it says. And I love these little resin flowers. This black one is Tim Holtz. These I got from Mexico, so I don't know what they are, but so here's the cover, and then you open it up, and this is the first page, and there are just some tags in here. This is a Hobby Lobby tag. All I did was I changed the ribbon that it had. I just didn't like it, so I changed it into twine. Didn't do anything else to it, so it's just like a little shaker tag. And then these are some tags I made with the Hobby Lobby punch. So it just kind of cuts out the top part. These were all cut from the same punch, so just depending on how wide your paper is, it's like the different design that you get. So this one has a different top than this one. And then this long one. And I just kind of glued pieces of paper together to make them double-sided. And then here is the next page. I, of course, covered up the person's name because they don't know that this is coming. I wanted it to be a surprise, but I couldn't wait to share. I was kind of excited. I cut these from the carousel collection. There's a paper that has all these words, and I just fussy cut them. So here's the next page. This doily is from Hobby Lobby, and then this feather is from a year or two ago from Target Dollar Spot. I forget what it was for. I think it might have been Valentine's Day. This unicorn die is a die from Spellbinders. The purple and white and the gold rosette are actually from a pen pal, and they were goodies for me to use, and so I'm using them. And then this chipboard is actually Tim Holtz. So I really like how this tag came out. And then here are just some goodies. I used a heart doily to package this up. And then some stickers that I didn't package. So they're just Heidi Swapp stickers. And then that's it, but there's like a little pocket here. And then it's kind of hard to put here. So this is just another decorative page, another rose. And then these are just like Maggie Holmes stickers. They're like the cardstock stickers, and they had like a tab one, so I used two of them to glue them together to make a tab, and then I just put the date down of the date that I finished it. And then after this page, you turn it over, and then it has this like pull down. So this is kind of like, if you have it all closed up, this is kind of the back of it. So I just decorated the back. I really like my stamp. I got this from Target a couple years ago, and I love how it looks. So I try to include that in my projects, and then I just made a label myself. It just says by Estrellita Designs. So, and then I'm just sharing some more goodies, some buttons, and I just have a little cluster happy moment. And then I also have a letter in my pull down. This was kind of hard. I was trying to keep it kind of flat, but obviously I'm not keeping it flat because I put these buttons here. And then I have the thickers, and so it's just kind of hard. I didn't know what to do. And then here I have my letter, and I'll try to cover it up. But I kind of like how this came out. My heart is full, and there's like a Maggie Holmes rose and some paper. I did forget to mention, I did use a manila folder, and you can kind of see it here. And then what I did is I inked up all around with my Distress Oxide, which I love my Distress Oxides from Holmes. And I really like Worn Lipstick, which is this color, which is the color that I used all around. So you can kind of see that I kind of just use like my inking tool to kind of like blend all around. And then I also, the gold splatters are actually, I have a paint dabber, and so all I did was I took some of the paint with my paintbrush onto like an acrylic block, and then I added water to it, made it really liquidy, and then I kind of just went around and I just kind of splattered my, what did I call it? My watercolor brush. Did I call it my toothbrush? I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I kind of just splattered it all around until I got the effect that I wanted. And I did that obviously before I put down my paper. Little Hot Tamales tutorial, she paints her manila folder, which is also an option. My paints are still packed up, and I just didn't want to look for them and get them. And I had my oxides ready and available, and so that's why I chose to do my oxides and gold splatter. Okay, so then you close this up, and then it has sort of like a secret 2 pockets on the other side. So here's the other side. So I made a sequin mix for my pen pal. I kind of thought all these sequins went with the colors. There's nothing back here. It's just a sequin mix, and then it just has like a little topper. I have it with the paper clip, and then that same paper clip is holding some goodies. I have some like Tim Holtz little journal cards, some little treat bags, and then some envelopes back here. So I'm just sharing some goodies. This is an old Recollections paperclip. I just thought it went well. And then just like a little scene. And then the other side has a pocket, and this is a Dear Lizzie corkboard bow. I got it from Tuesday Morning. And then here I'm just sharing some tags. I thought it went well also with the Maggie Holmes collection, and this is just the clip is holding it all together. So it's just the rose with the leaf and 2 doilies, and that's what's holding it all together. So it's nothing special there. I did have to fold this over so that it could fit in here, so I'll be putting that back that way. And then you close it, and then you're back to the front. So it's kind of a fun folio tutorial. I would definitely check it out if you can, and make one if you're able to. And let me know if you do. Please comment below. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video. Tell me what you think. I really want to start creating more, but I would like some encouragement. So if you're able to like my video or comment below or let me know what you think, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I also have a giveaway going on in my Instagram. I have reached 300 followers. Yay! And I know it doesn't sound like a lot to some people, but 300 to me sounds like a pretty good number of people that I know some of them are friends and family, and that's okay. But there's a whole lot more that I don't know that are not friends or family that I've never met, and so I'm just so grateful. So please go to my Instagram. It's the same name, Estrellita Designs, and enter. And you can enter as many times as you want, and I will be randomly choosing a winner. It is for a $25 gift card to scrapbook.com. So I really appreciate your support. Thank you for sticking around. It was 10 minutes of me talking the whole time, and I'm just gonna kind of quietly go through the folio one more time without me talking. So enjoy. Bye-bye. Thank you.